Hello everyone, it's Kathy with Paper Phenomenon. I'm here to give you a quick preview, a sneak peek if you will, of my newest project. It is a part of my Classic Man Kit Club that we're currently in right now. The project I'm calling so super cute. It's the carry-all. So let me take you through this, guys. This is my kit club for the male in your life. It doesn't necessarily have to be your husband, it can be your brother, your son, whatever. We all have our own, I think, definition of what a classic man is. We typically have a man that's either a briefcase kind of guy or I think a backpack kind of guy. So, classic man is all about masculine projects, and in this the first particular project I did this bag, which I'm calling the carry-all, because uh if you all or any of you are Seinfeld fans, there was an episode in Seinfeld that he carries a purse and a mail bag that's called a European carry-all. So I just thought it was funny to a little play on that. So I did my version of that, and here it is, guys. It's really, really fabulous and I love it. It turned out beautiful, and I know that my Kid Club members are going to love it and they're going to enjoy making this. I want you all to know that if you're not in my Kit Club, first of all, you can absolutely make these projects. And I, for the first time, because I never have kits by the time I'm showing these projects on YouTube, but for the first time, I ordered extra kits because I knew that once you guys saw the projects, you were going to want the kit for these projects. So I ordered extra. So the reason why I showed you this icon is so that this is what you want to look for in my shop, Classic Man. It's Everyday Kit Club 20. Okay, so if you want a kit, now you can pick it up. I'm not going to have a lot. If you don't see it there, it's because it's sold out. So you don't want to wait on that. Okay, I don't have a lot. I normally do not do this, but I knew this was going to be super popular because we don't do a lot of projects for men. But you know, this can go either way. It doesn't have to be masculine. You can absolutely girl this up if you want to. If you love the style and the construction of this bag, you can absolutely girl it up. But I want to talk to you about a few of the features. First of all, it's constructed with Tyvek, especially these super cool pockets. All right, so it's a magnetized closure. All right, here and here. This handle is the handle to hold, the shoulder strap is the handle to actually hold this bag here. All right, it's more of a messenger style bag. Is the handle to hold the messenger style bag. Here you can absolutely hold it, but once you get it heavy, once it's heavy, these magnets are not going to hold. All right, I wanted easy access to this bag because again, it's for the males in our life, and I wanted it just to look good. But this is the official handle right here. You can throw this across the room, guys, and it's going absolutely nowhere. Right, so when you open it up, it's a simple bag. Now the showstopper here is these pockets right here. These pockets are all made out of Tyvek. And you guys always ask me what Tyvek is because you don't know what I'm saying in this video. But there are these envelopes that I use that are, you can't tear them. You can't tear them, and they're really durable. They're super, super thin, and this is what I typically use for my binding systems and my spines. I sell color Tyveks in my shop. You can pick them up there if you want to, paperphenomenon.com. But the point of this is that you see how fun these pockets are? They're not just they're not like molded like that. They're totally flexible, but they stick out. So this is not just a flat piece. All right, it's totally it's constructed this way, and it's molded this way, which I absolutely love, but it's not going to tear it like if we were to do it just with cardstock. So I love that about this. And that's what all of these pockets are made of. So again, it's not going to tear. All of the bindings and all that, all of the connection points, these handles, again, they're on there for good. Okay, and I teach these handles, I teach you how to make them. All right, if you do not want to get the whole kit club shebang, because in the kit club there's 6 projects, this is the first project in that particular kit club, you can pick up the hardware that I use here. Okay, you can absolutely pick up the hardware. and you don't have to get everything else for the other three projects. And the so it's three main projects that you get your kit for, and then there's three bonus projects, which is why I say six projects in total. All right, so you want to check that out, but I just wanted to share with you a quick preview of the project for those who haven't seen it yet on my Facebook page. It's really beautiful. You guys are going to love it, and don't let these projects fool you in terms of difficulty. I design my projects and go through the construction process with you all and make it as simple as possible to get this wow factor. All right, like these pockets right here, super duper easy to make. Obviously, once I show you how to make it, right? So I show you how to make these, and they're really easy to make, and you're going to absolutely love it. When somebody takes you step by step through a process, you're like, oh, this is super simple. But until you learn how to do it, you just don't know how. But I show you how. And again, look at how fun and pliable this is. I just really love how it turned out. So it's completely structured like a bag. It's not just flat. You're going to love it. And again, for all the males in your life, when you want to make a project for a guy, here you go. All right, this can go for the office or for a denim kind of guy. Absolutely. For the next projects that I'm going to show you to go along with this one for Everyday Kit Club 20 or EKC 20, are items that are going to go into this bag and a few extra fun things. So stay tuned, and I hope you love it. Give me your thoughts. Let me know what you think about the project. It's really, really fabulous. I just absolutely love this, and I can't wait to find out what you think of it. This is Kathy with Paper Phenomenon, and I'll link you down below to your purchase options and all the good stuff, where you can follow me on social media and absolutely everything that I have to offer. See you in the next video.